Hello guys, today I will make a cute world, Toca Boca World. These persons are so cute, no? Plus hair, his hair. We make a pink skin face. Are very cute and are so nice. Look, this is pink and this cute. It's not bad. Should this. Accessories. This iPhone 17 and this cap are so cute and pink. Wow, podium. Oh, red one. It's finished. Chose a house. It's very hard, but I chose this. It is small, but it is very nice. Oh. Aha, yeah. Here. Yeah. And bedroom. Wow, bed. Really good. Oh! Yeah. I like it. Wow, music. Here and this. This new skin is for Barbie. It is very cute. Oh. And this. It is cute. Oh, money. Yeah, money. We have money too. Too much money. And wow, what is this? I know. Here and this here. Wait, it is here. Cash. Wow, $1 billion. It is too much. I'll donate it. Dun. Exit. Wow, I have a map. Park. Wow, it is too good. Oh, what is this? It's nothing bad. Cutie dog, what are you doing here? Oh, yes, okay. I know this. Yeah. Your name will be Chili. You're very smart. You're hungry. Pizza. Pizza. Yeah, you're hungry. We're going to the McDonald's. Oh, make our clothes. Oh, pizza. Yeah, pizza. Cute is that? Here you go. Go to my house. This is my house, and you like it? Yeah, yeah. Your house will be here. Yeah. You're hungry. I don't have, but I have water. This is water. It is very good for mine, but it is water. And I have a TikTok. It is really bad. You like it? You're very little.